let's make some money. Come get your vegetables. Today, we are going to use Lego blocks to make a lemonade stand. And also, my name is Enda. Woo! Let's get started. Look at the size of these things. And I'm kind of an expert at making Lego creation, so it's going to be easy. Okay, guys, so we need to make a wall first. Come on. Hey, guys, let's check out how far I got it. We're moving right along, but I think I need some help. Dad! Hey, guys, we got a window. Evie, come check out the store we made so far. I forgot to show you my favorite part, the door. There's no parents allowed. We are officially ready for business, and this is big. Look at this thing. Linda, I have princess dress up right now because stardust means the princess dress. Okay, Evie. Let's try to get our first customer. Pizza! Get your pizza! Pizza! Get it while it's hot! Get your pizza! Man, I hope somebody buys our pizza. Pizza! Pizza!
Oh, hey guys! Did I hear pizza? I really need some pizza. How much does it cost?
$1.
$1? That's a good deal. We can talk about pizza for $1. How you gonna make a profit off of that? How you gonna do that? Huh? How you gonna make a profit off of that? Oh man. Okay. Can you hear me? What's your name? What's your name?
Enjoy.
Evie? Enda? So you're Evie and you're Enda.
No, I'm Enjoy. She's Evie.
Here's the problem. I ain't got no money. I ain't got no money. What's
You
that
can
do?
have it for free.
For free? Do I have to do anything?
No.
For free? Do you take Apple money?
No.
My watch has money on it.
You don't need to do anything.
This is the best day ever. Best day ever. Okay, here's nothing. Where's my pizza? Oh, there's a lot of pizza. Tell you what, I like you guys. I want to share my pizza with you. You can have a piece of my pizza. How's that sound?
Good.
Go ahead, grab a piece right there. Tell me you love pizza. It's the best thing in the world, huh? All right. See you later. Thanks for the pizza.
That was creepy. Yeah. Let's go with some stuff we're going to sell. We're going to make some money. So we have animal crackers. And we have peppers. We have a top of a hamburger. Oh wait, let's make some money. Oh wait, let's make some money. Come get your vegetables. It's gonna make you nice and strong. Come get your veggies. Veggies, come get your veggies. I hope somebody comes.
Guess what? Come here. I need to talk to you. I need some veggies.
Okay.
I need to be the strongest man in the world.
Okay.
I got a wrestling match coming. You want to fight me? You want to fight me? Ah, pity the man that wants to wrestle me. How many veggies do you have? Stand up so I can see you. How tall are you? Oh, you better eat your veggies. You've been eating your veggies. Look how tall you are. Look how tall you are. Okay, I take 4 vegetables. You pick it.
Okay.
What's taking so long? That's not a vegetable, that's French fries. No, ice cream. Whoa! This is a vegetable. This is gonna make me nice and strong. You gotta eat your veggies, kids. Pizza! Oh, pity the fool that eats pizza. I need more vegetables. Oh, man. Yes, a pepper. Come on. Give me some more food.
Broccoli?
Broccoli. Do you have any lettuce? Come on, tell me you got some lettuce.
You do.
Okay. How much money is it?
100.
Oh, man. I got a lot of money for you. You just take that money, and I got a fight to give, okay?
Okay.
Thanks for your business. I'll see you later. Ah! Oh!
A lot of money. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Look how much money we have, baby! We're going to be rich! This is amazing! That was a good customer! High five! I want to take that! Hey, Evie, we need some more customers to make some more money! Walk my baby in the muddy, in the basali, let me know.
I'm assuming you know my name. Here's a little messy. Things are going quite well in Arendelle. What are you laughing at?
You sound a little weird.
Oh yes, that's because I have a bit of a cold.
You make people cold.
That's true. Good point. He has a good point. You are the cutest little thing, aren't you? Okay, here's what I need. Some water so I can freeze it.
Okay.
Do you have any water?
Yes.
Okay. How much does it cost? That's the question.
We don't want your money. You have to sing a song.
Sing a song? I know what you want to hear. Let it go, let it go.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
What? That's enough? Okay, see you later. Bye-bye. Woo! I got my water.
Also, that sounds a little weird. Food! Come get your food! Come get your food! We're still open for business! The best food in the Oh, I know! Junk food! Junk food! Come get your junk food! I love sugar. Junk food! Get your junk food! Junk food! Get your junk food!
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Niggledorf. Do you have any food for me? Oh, this is vegetables. Why would you give me vegetables? Who likes vegetables? Grapes? There's a dog in your store. No grapes for me. This looks healthy too. I don't like it.
You want want this?
Oh, junk food for me. Yes, I like this very much. You want to try? Oh, don't eat my ice cream. This is very, very nice.
Yes, mother too.
Do you have a donut?
Yeah.
Why is it taking so long? Chocolate. I like chocolate.
Okay.
I don't have any money,
It's okay.
but maybe I could do a dance.
You can do it now.
Okay, let's see if you like this dance. This is called the floss.
I like it.
Okay, is that enough?
Yes.
See you later. Thank you very much. This is good food. See you later. Bye.
Bye. That's funny. There's a donut. Oh, there's the donut. Come get the food.
Doop-a-doop-a-doo. Doop-a-doop-a-doo. Hello. Oh, what's your name?
Evie?
Maybe the clown. That's why you have the same name.
Hotella?
Hotella. That's your name? Hello, Hotella. Hotella. I need some food. Hello. Some bread.
Oh, okay.
Oh, doop-a-doop-a-doo. Hurry, I gotta get to the circus. That's a really nice hamburger. I'm gonna go like this. Oh, but guess what? I don't have any money.
I have money for you. You can give it to me and give it to you.
Oh, thank you. Okay, give it to me.
No, you don't need it.
Give it to me.
Get your hand out.
Okay.
No, you don't need it.
Okay, give it to me.
Just leave your hand.
Okay.
You don't eat it.
Okay, give me some food. Oh, money. I need money. Okay. Thanks.
Thanks for watching again, and thanks for all those crazy customers. Bye! Let's do another cost. And make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe.